So for my use case, what I want to report out on today is my actual funnel, my candidate funnel of where they're at along the interview process. And I'm going to create this from scratch with you right here in this episode. So today we're going to click on a new report. You can see today it pulled out the job name that we're recruiting for, the stages and who might be in those, and then the applicant numbers. Well, that's not really relevant for us, so we're going to remove that from our report. So we're going to remove the application number. What we do need is someone's name. So let's pull up the actual applicant's name here. We'll add that to our report and we'll click refresh. And now what you're seeing is, okay, now we know for this job, here's the stages and here's who actually is in those stages. That's starting to be more relevant to us. So here in our filters, right now we're filtered for only jobs that I own. So I'm going to change that. I want to see everything at this company. So I'm going to see all of our jobs. I'm going to apply that. So now if I hit refresh, you should have a little bit more data. There we go. So we've got quite a bit more data, and all of this is just showing us every single applicant we have in our system, what stage they're in and what job they applied for. We wanted to see everyone based on what kind of stage they're in. So for that, we need to create a group. And that's as easy as taking the stage down here and dragging it up and saying that's what we want to group our rows by. So now if I were to refresh this, you can start seeing here's everyone in the application status. Here's everyone at client submittal. Here's everyone at turnover review and all of those. So now if I were to run this report, now you're going to see everyone and where they're at in our stages right now. Now this is nice because we can see at a glance how many people are in each stage, but what we truly want is a chart, right? So let's add a chart. And here you can see that it came up with just an idea of what it could look like. It's a bar chart, but we don't really want that. I want to truly see a funnel. So I'm going to change this to a funnel. You might notice we don't really have a lot of labels. We can't really see a lot of data here until we actually hover over it. We want something a little better. So what we're able to do is say we want to show those values. Now you see we show actually who's in each stage, how many. And because we can't see the legend where it's at, let's move the legend to the bottom. So now if I shut this down, you can see we've got a brand new report built with a brand new chart, and we have it labeled the way that we want to. So it's that easy to create a new report.